Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be learning how to make an animated line using the Python Turtle library. For more such videos, you can refer to my Learn Python series. So let's get started. Very first thing is to import the Turtle library as T, and then let us make a line. So let us set its color to be black, and we'll just make the line of 200 pixels. We'll also write main loop so that the total screen doesn't disappear, and let us go. So you can see a black line is created of 200 pixels. Now let us make it animated. How? We first set its color to be white, and now we'll say it to move backward by 200 pixels. Let us run and see. So you can see it was an animated line. Let us just put it in a loop while true. While true means this loop will go on and on forever until we stop it. So let us see. You can see this animated line going here and then like this. We can do one more thing. We can just hide the turtle, and let us see again. So you can see this animated line. We can even change its speed. Like we can put here t dot speed on maybe 2. So you can see it's slower than before. Then if we write 20, then you can see it's fast. So like this, you can put any speed that you want. So you can see it seems like the line is blinking. It is because the speed is 200 that we have set. We can make this in one more way. Let's try that. We just put this in while loop only, and if we write t dot color is let us set the color of the background. So let the color of the background be black. Then the color of the line should be white first. We'll say to move forward by maybe 300 pixels this time, and then we'll say it to rotate either left or right by 180 degree. Rotating it 180 degree doesn't matter if you rotate it left or right, it means the same. Now the next thing is we'll just set its color black, and we will say it to move forward by 300 pixels again. So let us run and see if any changes are required. So you can see another type of animated line is here. So first it moves here, then it rotates by 180 degree and then move there. So like this, you can make many types of animated line. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more coding content. Happy coding!